Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Discord and picking the Grow a Garden server. Make sure you have permission to change notification settings or ask an admin. Next, choose whether you want server-wide alerts versus only specific channels, because that decision affects where you'll toggle options. Once done, check the app-level notifications on your device, desktop, or mobile, so Discord can deliver them. This prevents missed messages after you change server settings and sets the stage for precise channel control. You now focus on the channels. Right-click a channel or tap the name to open notification settings, then apply an override. Choose all messages when you need every post, or choose only at mentions to cut noise. Use mute for low-traffic channels. Once you set overrides, use role and keyword-specific alerts so you only get notified about topics that matter, like planting tips or event RSVP. This layered approach keeps your phone calm, but ensures you see urgent gardening updates. Finish by reviewing the server-level notification dropdown. Make sure it isn't set to suppress mobile pushes, and confirm your device's Do Not Disturb is off. Then, test delivery. Post a short test message or ask a friend to ping you. Check push, desktop, and mobile receipts. If notifications still fail, restart Discord, log out and back in, and verify role priority and mute settings. If the problem persists, ask an admin to audit channel overrides and app permissions so you don't miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.